Alright, so we're here with David Ray, our channel marketing manager for Asus. He's going to take us around the booth a little bit, show us all the good new technology from Asus. How you doing, Dave?
I'm doing fine today. How are you?
Good, thanks for being with us.
Okay. Well, let me start off by talking about the EPC netbook. Okay, everybody knows the EPC netbook. It's important that you also know what differentiates us. One thing that we're showing at the show today is that a lot of the new EPCs have all-day computing. What that means is that you can get up to 9.5 hours of battery life in our EPCs. Now, the reason that we can do that is because we have a super hybrid engine inside. That's very that we use a very similar thing in our motherboards, video cards, and also some of our laptops. But it intelligently regulates power usage so that when you're actually when your applications need the power, it's delivered, but when they don't, you're drawing far less power. So 9.5 hours of battery life is not something that anybody can touch us on right now. Now, one thing I wanted to highlight was a new member of the EPC family. We'll be getting the 9-inch version of this probably in March, and the 9-inch version is called the T91. Basically what you have is the world's first netbook that's also a tablet. Okay. This tablet will integrate GPS, and you can just take it in your car, type out where you want to go. It's very stylish. Okay. You can't tell through the camera, but the build quality is exceptional. Asus products often have quality you can see and feel. So if you can get your hands on one, I encourage it. Support for digital TV, and the amazing thing about this unit is that the price point will be more or less right in the range of the other EPC models, which are selling from about $299, and our most expensive model would be $699. But a couple steps below that would be the price of this. We'll deliver it at an amazing price, and a lot of people are going to enjoy this.
And the model again on that is?
The T91 is the 9-inch version that we'll have in March. This is the 10-inch version that we'll be getting a little bit later. Okay, our next product is a newest member of the E family. We'll probably be shipping it in maybe 3 or 4 weeks. It's called the E-Top. And what the E-Top is it takes the E concept of having something that's easy to learn, easy to work, and easy to play, and brings it into a family setting normally. Now this can sit right on your kitchen table. If you have to go to work in the morning and say you want to leave a note for your wife, you just go down here, drag one of these, and you can say, please buy eggs.
It's the honey-do list.
It is the honey-do list. In the morning she'll see this, and everything will be well organized. Now that's just one of the communication features that it has. This is basically an entire computing device, like a PC, but it's in a much smaller form factor, and the price will be an astounding $599 as a target price. Anything that you want to do, you can probably do with this, except maybe hardcore gaming, just like all of the products. You can use Skype. There's a nice webcam in here where you can have conversations with people across the world at no charge. When you want to have fun, the E-Top has a feature called eCinema, and it will give you access to all of your digital content, movies, pictures, and everything, just with the touch of your hand. Now, one of the great things about these products is how simple they are. They bring down barriers. If this is your home family computer, you can basically use this even if you're just a student or a first-time user. You don't even have to know how to type well to do a lot of functionality with this. So I want to access my photos, and here they come up. All as easy as touching it. In fact, do it all at a touch.
Nice.
When it comes time to do work, it comes with a full suite of applications, database, presentations, drawings, spreadsheets. It's very versatile, very attractive. It draws only a fraction of the energy of what a normal PC would. And it's super quiet, I believe 28 decibels, so it's about the level of a whisper. It'll look great on your customers' kitchen tables.
Nice. E-top. Good stuff. And what's this one all about, Dave?
Okay, the S121 is an elegant and groundbreaking notebook. It's groundbreaking because, as you can see here, it has up to 512 solid-state drive. So far more capacity than we've seen up to this point. It also has 8 hours of battery life because of ASUS's integrated super hybrid engine. In a 12.1-inch form factor, you get just a beautiful laptop with genuine leather cream-colored palm rest. You have Swarovski crystal in each of the ends here. And look at that profile. It's just a very, very beautiful notebook.
Yeah, nice and thin.
It's kind of a hybrid because it runs on an Atom processor. That means that it's also using less energy, and that also accounts for the incredible battery life that you can get from it.
Atom Z520?
Yep, yeah. It's a Z520.
Very nice. The S121. So we're here now with Brian Zhang and Peter Clark from Asus. You guys going to tell us about the WePC program and how readers and I guess the folks out there in the community can contribute to some design concepts, right? What's it all about, guys?
So, as you all know, Asus and Intel have created WePC.com. It's a place where users can come to submit their ideas, images, and inspiration of their ideal PC. Now, these designs, featured ideas, community feedback is going to be evaluated by Asus and can actually be a blueprint for an actual notebook built by Asus with Intel inside. Some of the cool ideas right now are, waterproof notebooks, dual touchscreens, future-proof notebooks, PC glasses, things like that. We have special tools to create these, express these concepts by using our graffiti tool. You could draw out your concept, you could share your ideas in our community, you could join discussions with our authors, WePC bloggers, and you can also get the latest news and innovation with WePC TV. This is Peter Clark. He's our concept designer from Asus headquarters.
As Brian mentioned, WePC is our program to get users' ideas about how they would like their notebooks to be in the future. So it's great for us to get input at a very early stage to really see what is important to users. Because from our office we don't always get to talk to everybody, so it's great to get that kind of input, and it's great to get all these features and ideas. Now the challenge for us is going to be to find the most powerful features and to try and implement them into a computer that we can sell. So we're going to take these ideas and try and take them on to the next level, so this can become a commercial product. But in the end, this product is going to be something that is designed by the users, and it's got input from the users, so hopefully it's going to be something that they really like.
Nice, nice. And you have some concept products over here?
Yeah, so this is showing the kind of concept products that we create in our design team. Actually, it's funny, some of the ideas that the WePC forum has brought to our attention are some ideas that we've been thinking about too. So I think there's going to be some good synergy there. So going forward, hopefully we can take these ideas and then perhaps introduce them into our advanced concepts. So hopefully the users of WePC forum can look to our shows in the future and our advanced concepts and see some of their own ideas in the future.
And what's the fold-unfold concept here? This is a pretty interesting little thing here.
Well, the fold-unfold concept started out as an idea to look into the future of notebooks, perhaps we've been looking into the future in the time scheme of about 3 to 5 years in the future. What we're thinking about is simplifying the computer, making it easier to use, making it lighter. All these kind of things that we think will make computers better in the future. On this side we have the unfold concept, which is all about user experience. This is about a notebook that can fold into different positions, which will allow users to transfer information wirelessly between users. In this configuration it's called the flat sharing mode, so users can pass files between each other, so it allows people to work in a more human way. We think that's very important in design. So whereas with WePC we're taking the user's ideas, we're always very interested to make our products more user-friendly and more human.